Hi friends, myself Dr. Z. Welcome to 32 Teeth Dentistry. In this video, we'll see what's inside an occlusal film. So occlusal film has two surfaces. The white surface faces towards X-ray tube and the pink surfaces face towards the oral cavity. It comes in the size of 57 into 76 mm. As you can see, this purple surface will face towards the occlusal cavity. This white one will face towards the X-ray tube, and you can see this embossed dot, same as that we have on our IOPA films. Okay, now developing and processing of this occlusal film is same as that of an IOPA film. Okay, but before opening, we have to open it from this center. Now you can see we have to open it from center and then remove the paper wrapper. Then we have to discard the lead foil. Here we have an occlusal film, then we have a paper. Okay, and before you go for processing, you have to fix the film with the help of two clips on a film holder. Now we'll see in detail what are the contents of the occlusal film. This is the lead foil which you have to discard separately, then the film you will process, then this white paper you need to be removed, and this wrapper need to be discarded.